Look, kids, I found now another stone. It's so nice, you look. And there is lime in both sides. You see? So maybe I will break it. So I'll try to break it. Let's see what is inside. Oh, it's very strong. You think I can break it? Oh, very strong. But I want to break it. Oh, very hard. Ah, yes. So let me see what is inside. You look. What's really inside? Wow. Let me see. And the other. Oh, you look how beautiful it is. Oh, very nice. Mm-hmm. Uh-huh. Wow. Very nice. I want to see more. Oh, I leave it like that. Yeah. You see what is inside? Wow. It's a black jade. What is inside is a black jade. Yes, so nice. I see crystal, inside. You see the shining crystal over there? I really love it. This stone. So nice. So I leave this for a while.